You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, neck and neck start. This is going to be close. That Tesla's pulling now. What the heck has happened? Oh, no. Oh, this is... Once it's going, it's pretty even, but that thing just pulls away. Like, when this is changing gear, that doesn't have to, and it just keeps on going, that Tesla. Oh, hello, BMW. Yeah, you weren't really in it, were you? So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla Model 3 Performance did the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The Audi RS4 took 12.1 seconds, and the BMW M3, 12.7 seconds. Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Me and the BMW are in auto mode, everything in auto, as you would be when you're cruising along, and obviously the Tesla's in auto as well. So let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go! Kick down gearbox. Oh, by the time this is kicked down, that Tesla's shot off. Also, the BMW kicked down much better than this. Can I catch the Tesla? The BMW's just passed it now. I'm doing 130. I'm gonna have to brake. I'm out of space.
Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.